The governor of Borno State, Mr. Babagana Zulum, has expressed deep concern over renewed Boko Haram attacks in Kwara Town, Goza local government area, following the withdrawal of the Cameroonian troops that have been stationed there. He said that these fresh Boko Haram attacks that he notified the Nigerian military, but his request was ignored. Now, this is not the first time the Nigerian military are always ignoring intelligence requests when they are in a war front. Nigeria is at war. Do you remember what happened in Benue State, where 200 people were killed in Yerwata? They informed the military about the attack. They did not do anything. Let me also remind you of what happened 2023, the Christmas Eve. For good 3 consecutive days, people of Benue State, Plateau State, were massacred. They were massacred to the extent that the whole world was reacting to it, but the whole governors gathered to Lagos to pay Tinubu, Christmas visits. The military were notified. There were 33 distress calls, according to the villagers, placed on military. They refused to answer. So what is going on? What kind of collusion is this? This is a governor. This is not an ordinary person that you will say maybe the person is lying. A governor cannot tell lie. He's trying to be transparent because of what is going on. By the way, telling the military that attack is coming is supposed to be something that's supposed to help the military. You see why I was talking contrary to what the CDS was talking the other day? This is because CDS was saying that people should share intelligence, people should collaborate with the military. This is a governor telling the military that attack is coming. But the military ignored him. There is a reason. Nothing happened for nothing. Now, the governor of Zamfara State, Dauda Lawal, said that in his phone he can see where the bandits are. How do you want people to help the military again if they are not colluding with the terrorists? Then the governor of Zamfara State said his men were ready to wipe the bandits away, but a call came from Abuja to stop them. And what kind of things is all these things? Now, pay attention. The topic of this article from Sahara Reporters, by the way, I have 3 articles that reported this news: Daily Trust, Daily Post, Sahara Reporters. But let's read from Sahara Reporters. That reads that fresh Boko Haram attack. I notified Nigerian military, but my request was ignored. Borno Governor Zulum. And this is the details of the article. It reads that Governor Babagana Zulum of Borno State has expressed deep concern over renewed Boko Haram attacks in Kirawa Town, Goza local government area, following the withdrawal of the Cameroonian troops that have been stationed there. So Cameroonian troops, not Nigerian troops, have been stationed at this border town that is making Boko Haram not to attack. I want you to think deep about this. Not because Nigeria don't have military. Zulum, who on Friday mobilized civilian joint task force and Nigerian troops to the area, said he had earlier warned that the Nigerian military about the dangers of leaving the community without security presence. And this is what he said in quote. I duly notified the Nigerian military of the dangers of leaving this town without security. This is a border community. Wirigo, Kirawa, Baga, Damasak, Madam Factory, among others, are border communities that have to be protected because of their strategic importance. The governor was quoted by Daily Trust. So, the governor is exonerating himself of what has transpired. And this is the result of the military not taking action and not heeding to what he told them. The people are already in Cameroon.
Kakatoka. Nongan kini tuana mana tajetum daga dedea na duar. Nokin madar bak lar trabla ngadetrem adung koskuna ngatirna. Tadinjo koskuna ngatirna. Nongan eter badum katira sikasi. Tadung koskuna ngatirna. Se c'est les gens de Kerawa, Nigeria, qui ont été victimes, n'est-ce pas, de l'attaque de Boko Haram d'hier. Actuellement, on les accompagne au niveau du nouveau marché. Ils seront campés là-bas. Un badum ban de Kerawang Lisa. Nga de Terdun Koskuna Masirna, Terdin Johua. Nous, l'école, Mana, l'école Bakou Ratura. Bakan, Sedem, l'école, nga de Terdun Koskuna Masirna, Terdin Johua. Don ni watson Korarna, Adun Hodekse. Un Bakou Rarna, Anjem, an Koskuna no Hona. Non, non, non. Adun Taron. Kakatoka. Nongan kin tuana mana ta jetum daga dedea na dua. No kin madar ba kum lar trabla na detredem adun koskuna matirna. Ta dinjoho. Ta dinjom koskuna matirna. Nongan eter badum tapira sikesi. Ta dun koskuna matirna. C'est les gens de Kerawa, Nigeria, qui ont été victimes, n'est-ce pas, de l'attaque de Boko Haram d'hier. Actuellement, on les accompagne au niveau du nouveau marché. Ils seront campés là-bas. Un badum ban de Kerawang Lisa. Nga de Terdun Koskuna Masirna, Terdin Johua. Nous, l'école, Mana, l'école Bakou Ratura. Bakan Sedem, l'école, nga de Terdun Koskuna Masirna, Terdin Johua. Don ni watson Korarna, Adun Hodekse. Un Bakou Rarna, Anjem, an Koskuna no Hona. Non, non, non. kakatoka nongan kin tuana mana ta jetum daga dedea na dua no kin madar ba ku lar trabla na detredem adun koskuna ngwatirna ta dinjoho ta dinjom koskuna ngwatirna nongan eter badam tepire sikiti ta dun koskuna ngwatirna c'est les gens de Kero en Nigeria qui ont été victimes, n'est-ce pas, de l'attaque de Boko Haram d'hier. Actuellement, on les accompagne au niveau du nouveau marché. Ils seront campés là-bas. Un badum ban am de Krawang Lisa. Nga de terdung koskuna ngosirna terdin johwa. Nous l'école mana l'école baku retoura. Bakan sedam l'école nga de terdung koskuna ngosirna terdin johwa. Don ni wacon korarna adun hodekse. Un ba korarna anjam an koskuna no hono. Non ngani ko. Badum de teron.
Come on.